In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best JMK discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for JMK discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retrieve.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say this one with 10% discount, all you need to do is just tap right here on this button where it says copy code. And right here, as you can see, this is a promo code. You can simply copy this one and you can use it in order to get a 10% discount of your next purchase. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called WordPenny. And right here on this website, as you can see, we'll have some promo codes as well. I'm just going to wait for the page to load up a little bit. So here we have a list with other promo codes as you can see. So right here, for example, if you want to get this one with up to 30% discount, all you need to do is tap right here where it says show code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this one. And you can apply this promo code on your next purchase to get a 30% discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.